education. I finished primary and secondary school with flying colors. I'm working and improving myself because I know someone needs us. I grew up in this awareness and I live with this awareness, and I will continue in this way. I will always be the best in every school I attend because I have to be. There are people we need to save. We have friends waiting for us to make their voices heard. We need to be different from others because we have a different destiny. I worked on this path to achieve this goal, and I found the We Work Alike training program. The program's target, activities, and purpose were the same as mine. I was very happy. Our future could be really bright. I should have participated in that program and passed the exam. With the program, I had to achieve my goal and communicate with many more people in that sense. I took the first exam of the program 2 years ago, but I didn't win. I didn't give up. I participated again next year and became first. I was cheerful because there's a goal inside me trying to break its shell, and it won't leave me alone unless I succeed. My passion for studying and improving myself will never come to a halt as long as I continue to live. Live and learn is the motto I have adopted. I believe with education, I will succeed and help others succeed. So, if you're wondering whether